Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books, as you probably already know by now. We've got 2 books coming out very, very soon, available very, very soon for you all. And this one is one of them. And it's all about fruit. So huarako is fruit. So here, huarako, huarako. And my favourite fruit is persimmons. I'm very, very fortunate to be at a house now which grows persimmon trees, so I'm very happy about that. We have a lot of persimmons. And on one of the pages in this beautifully illustrated book, we've got the sentence about the persimmons. So the sentence structure in this book is he aha te huarako tino pai kia koe, which is one of the ways of saying which fruit do you prefer the best, which is your favourite fruit, and then there's the question, he āporo makimaki, he rahi pere, he panana, so it's asking are any of those your favourite? And on this page the favourite is he panana te huarako tino pai kia hau. However, kia hau, he āporo makimaki te huarako tino pai kia au. The persimmon is the fruit that I really like the best. So, look forward to sharing more about our new books with you next time. And that's a little sentence structure for you to try with your favourite fruit. Ka kite.